Hi, John Chapin with your latest sales tip. And this sales tip is all about accountability to make sure you're doing what you need to be doing every day to make the sales you need to make. Again, I've said it before, I'll say it again. The biggest reason salespeople fail is due to a failure of activity. They don't make enough calls to get enough prospects to make enough sales. Another big mistake is not having a plan for the calls they need to make every day. So you need to know how many calls you have to make, and then you need a daily plan to make sure you're getting those calls in. Next, you need accountability to that plan. So there are 3 levels of accountability. The first level is you. You need to have the self-discipline to do what needs to be done every single day, whether you feel like it or not, no matter what happens, what distracts you during the day. You need to work hard, and you also need to be willing to push yourself harder than anyone else is willing to push you. Level 2 of accountability is professional accountability. That's within the workplace. It's bosses, it's managers, it's mentors, maybe even other salespeople or other peers in the workplace. Level 3 of accountability is outside the workplace. It's friends, family, it's people from other groups that you belong to, or organizations like mastermind groups that you get together with outside of work. So those are your 3 levels or groups of accountability. So you let those people in groups 2 and 3 know what your goals are, and then you ask them to hold you accountable to those goals, either daily, weekly, or monthly. Now, some of these people, especially in the professional realm, should be doing this anyway, like your managers, but you state to them specifically, look, here are the goals. I want you to hold me accountable. But ultimately, accountability really comes down to that first level, you. The buck stops with you. You've got to be willing to push yourself harder than anyone else and hold yourself accountable. The bottom line is groups 2 and 3, you can lie to them about what you're doing, but deep down, you know the truth. You have to look at yourself every day in the mirror, and if you aren't doing what you said you're going to do, you're not going to feel good about yourself. Your confidence, your self-esteem will take a hit. So commit to activity, hold yourself accountable, and for backup, have those other 2 groups hold you accountable too every single day. Thanks for watching. For more information, go to CompleteSelling.com. If you like this video, do me a favor, hit subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.